How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your spending limit for Instagram ads. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, head over to your Instagram. Now, after you're on your Instagram, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and then go to the top right corner. After you tap on it, you will be on your settings and activity section. Now here, you'll need to scroll down till you find for professional section. Right there, you should see creator tools and controls. Tap on it. Right there on the top, you should see add payments. So head over to add payments and right there, you will see payment methods. Head over payment methods and after you're on your payment methods, scroll down till you find the option that says account spending limit. Now after you tap on account spending limit, what will happen is you'll get redirected to a page like this, and right here you can change your account spending limit. And it's that simple guys. That is how you can change your spending limit for Instagram ads. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.